Aloha! Another day, another adventure here in Hawaii. On to our next stop. Padulong nami sa China Walls. Another one of the hidden spots here in Oahu. Let's see! Ang intention na place is daghag naga cliff jumping dere. Delikado pud kayo ang waves, ang palud kay taas baba siya. Mura siya tide pool. So morning ang entrance. Swim at your own risk lang jud. On the way sa mismong view, naakay makita ng mga murals sa left side o sa right side. Free lang ni diri, walay entrance fee, walay environmental fee. So everyone is welcome basta mag-amping lang jud. Wala kayo may na-expect pero daghan-daghan ng mga locals ug mga tourist ang naakaron diri. Look at the wave. Wow. Very accessible ang place, short walk lang and then you're there. Unlike the previous sites we've been to where you still need to do long hikes, masamad pa ka sa mga lava rocks. But this one is just there and it's really amazing. Medyo curious po ko why China Walls ang tawag ani na place nga naman unta sa Hawaii. So back in 1948, na ay surfer nga nag-name ani og China Walls. Kay for him, mura daw Great Wall of China ang hitsura sa lava cliffs diri. If you can see, long, flat, parang wall gyud siya nga ocean mismo ang nag-design. Kaya since then, na-stick ang name na China Walls. Pero aside from that, unsa man jud ni siya? Well, it is basically a stretch of lava rock cliffs na na-form tungod sa mga volcanic flows. So, ang mga bato diri flat ug murag wall. Grabe, kami gigatan-aw lang here from afar kay makita jud na mga delikado kaayo, pero ang mga locals nagligo-ligo lang, murag wala. Bisan na ay warning or caution sign, go lang nang go. So this sign is specifically for tourists, to be honest, kay really regular locals here know what they're doing.
Wow! Whoa, look at that! Wow! Okay na siya?
Locals know and are aware na waves are unpredictable and actually ang mga local surfers, ang cliff divers or jumpers kay mura lang mga sirena diri. No fear na gyud sila sa ocean kay in town, just a reminder, hello Pacific Ocean ba kayo ang Hawaii. Just like most of the beaches here, wala pud mga lifeguards na nag-atang diri just in case na ay emergency or accidents. So if ever taod-taod pa jud ang rescue, you also need to watch your step while walking kay naay mga holes na pwede pud ka mabulasot. Walay lingkuranan, walay sand, walay shade diri, so if ever mo ato ka gutong tutok, pretty jud inita. So need ang towels, umbrella, and sunscreen jud. They say this is also a great spot for sunsets, but this is not our favorite. There are more beautiful sunsets all over Hawaii jud. We stayed there around almost 7 p.m. Ang sunset ani na time was around 6:40 p.m. I remember murag ngit-ngit naman kaya sa Philippines pag 6 uy. Bisan medyo late na, daghan gyapon surfers ang nag-surf, mga daredevil or they're really used to it bisan medyo dark na. This is also 100% a romantic place. Kay perfect kaayo for a chill date with a view. Dramatic ang sound sa crashing waves. Pwede mo diri mag-picnic jud, and the best part is it is less touristy, so dili daghan ng tao. So yeah, very romantic, basta dili lang jud mo mag-cliff jump together, lol. This is definitely a yes for sightseeing or lunch dates, but a no jud for swimming or cliff jumping. So kana lang siya. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!